This video is a collaboration with 𝓬𝓮𝓵𝓬𝓬. She uploads aesthetic videos. Do subscribe to her channel. Hey, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a special video packed with study hacks and tips to help you ace your exams and get those grades you've been aiming for. Tip 1. Create a study schedule. Tip number 1 is all about organization. Create a study schedule that allocates time for each subject or topic. Tip 2. Active learning. Next up, active learning. Instead of just passively reading, engage with the material. Take notes, ask questions, and explain concepts in your own words. Tip 3. Use flashcards. Flashcards are a powerful tool. They condense information into bite-sized pieces, making it easier to review and test your knowledge. Tip 4. Breaks and rewards. Don't forget to take short breaks during study sessions. Reward yourself with a treat or a quick walk. It keeps your mind fresh and focused. Tip 5. Group study sessions. Study groups can be a game changer. Discussing topics with peers helps reinforce your understanding and opens you up to different perspectives. Tip 6. Practice past exams. Practice makes perfect. Review past exams and quizzes to get a sense of what to expect on the real thing. Tip 7. Stay healthy. Your physical and mental health are crucial. Eat well, exercise regularly, and get enough sleep. A healthy body supports a healthy mind. Tip 8. Teach what you've learned. One of the best ways to solidify your knowledge is to teach it to someone else. Explain concepts to a friend or family member. Tip 9. Minimize distractions. Create a distraction-free study environment. Put away your phone, close unnecessary tabs on your computer, and focus solely on your work. Tip 10. Set realistic goals. Lastly, set realistic goals. Don't aim for perfection, aim for improvement. Celebrate your progress along the way. And there you have it, our top 10 study hacks and tips to help you excel in your studies and achieve those stellar grades. Remember, consistency and effort pay off. Good luck, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful content. Thanks for watching, and happy studying!